Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 33. The gradient of the line joining x, 4 and 1, 2 is 1 over 2. Now find the value of x. Find the value of x. Now, like we know, gradient is equals to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Now from here, our x1 is the x and our x2 is 1. Then our y2 is 2 and our y1 is 4. So we can simply say, and the gradient given to us is 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 is equals to y2, which is 2 minus 4 all over x2, 1 minus x. Now from here we have 1 all over 2 is equals to minus 2 all over 1 minus x. Now cross multiply. When you cross multiply, we'll have 1 minus x is equals to minus 2 times 2. So 1 minus x is equals to minus 4. Then minus x is equals to minus 5. Taking this one here, it becomes minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 will give us minus 5. So dividing both sides by minus 1, we have that x is equal to 5. And that is option B. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on past questions.